Contractors are demanding improved dust management on the job site. Makita delivers the first 18-volt rotary hammer with 1-inch capacity and a built-in vacuum. The 18-volt LXT Brushless 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer with a trigger-activated vacuum and HEPA filtration system, and it even has a separate motor just for the vacuum. So there's no sacrifice in tool performance. It's up to 2.5 pounds lighter than the comparable 36-volt hammers, yet still have the same drilling capacity. LXT Brushless 50% longer runtime per charge, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.